Are you looking for ways to make extra money, save up for a vacation, or pay off debt? Look no further, because Fiverr is an incredible online platform that enables you to offer your skills and services to people worldwide. The best part is, there's a wide range of services you can provide on Fiverr, from writing and graphic design to voiceovers and video editing. But why should you consider using Fiverr to make money? Well, the advantages are remarkable. Firstly, you have the freedom to work from anywhere in the world, at any time that suits you. It doesn't matter what your economic background is or what your schedule looks like. Fiverr allows you to work on your own terms. Additionally, with over 5 million active buyers on the platform, there are ample opportunities to make money. Many people even rely on Fiverr as their main source of income, and the earning potential is truly unlimited. Now, you might be thinking, but I'm not a professional designer, writer, or voiceover artist. That's perfectly all right. Fiverr doesn't require you to have formal training or years of experience. All you need is a willingness to learn and improve your skills along the way. Trust me, I was in the same position when I first started on Fiverr. I had always enjoyed writing as a hobby but never imagined it could earn me money. However, with some research and self-belief, I began offering my writing services on Fiverr, and the results were astounding. In just 6 months, I earned over $10,000. To make money on Fiverr, it's crucial to find your niche. Start by identifying your strengths and skills. Make a list of your abilities, regardless of how small or seemingly unrelated they may be. Consider what you enjoy doing and what you excel at naturally. The great thing is, you can offer a wide range of valuable services on Fiverr. Once you have your list, think about which abilities could provide value to others. For example, if you're good at writing, consider the types of content you could produce for clients. If the design is your forte, contemplate creating custom logos or graphics. To discover your niche on Fiverr, you can research popular services already offered on the platform. Search for keywords related to your skills and observe what other freelancers are providing. Take a look at their pricing, descriptions, and reviews to understand what clients are seeking when hiring someone for those services. While it's important not to copy exactly what others are offering, you can differentiate yourself by providing a unique value that only you can offer. Once you've identified your skills and conducted research, it's time to brainstorm unique service offerings that set you apart from the competition. Don't limit yourself to the obvious ideas. Think outside the box. For instance, if logo design is saturated, specialize in designing custom product packaging. If transcription services are abundant, consider offering transcription with additional editing and proofreading services included. The key is to provide added value to your clients and offer something they can't easily find elsewhere. Finding your niche on Fiverr is the key to success on the platform. Take the time to identify your strengths, research popular services, and brainstorm unique offerings that distinguish you from the competition. With dedication and hard work, you can transform your skills into a thriving online business on Fiverr. Get started today and unlock the potential to make money doing what you love.